Meet LockedIn Duo, your interview wingman. You've got the AI. Now bring in a real human. Duo connects you with a trusted helper. Screen sharing, chat, voice, even remote control, all in one session. Whether you're job hunting, mentoring a friend, or coaching a client, Duo's for you. Setting it up is simple. First, invite your helper. Option 1. Your helper sends you their personal link. Whenever you start a session, they get a pop-up to jump right in. One-time setup. Option 2. Need help right now? Share a 6-digit code. Helper joins instantly. Once connected, your helper steps in. First up, live chat and code. Stuck mid-interview? Your helper jumps in. They type, you see it instantly. Chat, hints, full code, syntax highlighted across 15+ languages. Next up, voice to text. Hands full, they just talk. We transcribe it instantly. And the big one, remote control. Stuck on a tough question? With your permission, your helper takes over mouse and keyboard. Sub 100 millisecond latency. Revoke anytime. You're always in charge. And that's how Duo works. Try it today. Included with Pro, Helpers joins free.